Welcome back, everybody. So today we're going to be doing barbecue chicken. Let's get it going. Today of choice is fajita from the Meat Church barbecue rub. First time trying the fajita. Smells good though, so let's get it going. We're going to put a nice coat all over it. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, and we'll be back after that. So now that we have our rub there, we're going to be using our meat stick wireless thermometer. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go in the app. We're going to select smoke because we're smoking this. We're going to chicken breast, and what internal temp we're going is 165 to 170. So then we're going to go ahead and start our cook, and it'll give us an alert when the chicken hits the internal temp. So let's go ahead and add this. So now that we did that on our app, we're ready to insert this into the chicken. The pellet of choice that we're using today is going to be the Traeger pecan pellets. That's what we'll be using today. So how we're going to cook this chicken is we're going to start it at smoke setting, and we're going to cook it like that for 15 minutes. After the 15-minute mark, we're going to raise it up to 300 degrees, and we'll wait for our meat stick to let us know when it's ready. So after that being said, let's fire up our Traeger. All right, our Traeger is up to temp, 180. We're going to put our chicken there, and we're going to be back in 15 minutes. 15 minutes, and then raise it up to 300 degrees. We'll be back. All right, it's been 15 minutes, so now we're going to raise it to 300 degrees. We'll be back. All right, our meat stick informed us it's at 150 degrees, so we're going to add our barbecue sauce. All right, our meat stick has informed us that this is ready. Ooh, look at that. I like that color. Look at that. A nice reddish color. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, we are back, and this smells so good, and it's looking really good. As you can see, it's cooked really well. I mean, thanks to that meat stick. Look at that. It's a little juicy too. There's a link in the description for that meat stick if you guys want to know about it. Make sure you guys give a like, give a comment. What do you guys barbecue sauce of your choice, or different styles that you guys like to cook it. Check these videos out. My God, look at this. Oh. Wow. This is probably my best chicken I've done. I'll see you guys next time.